Hey, hello, and welcome. I am Laura. I am a certified Canva community trainer, and today I want to talk to you about presentations. Have you ever needed to create a presentation and then gone, oh, I have no idea where to start? What do I do? Design wise, what content do I put in? What do I say when I'm actually presenting this presentation to people? Well, this is where Canva comes in really, really useful because in Canva, you can use AI to create your presentation, create the content. You then need to tweak it and edit it to make it right for what you are actually doing. And then you can generate the notes which you can use to speak when you are presenting it using AI. So it gives you a huge, huge head start in creating your presentation that you need to make it look amazingly professional and branded. So that's what I want to show you how to do today because I create loads of presentations. I do lots of talks and trainings and I'm always using slides. So presentations for me are a big part of what I do and I want to make sure that you are on the right footing with the right information and knowledge when you need to create a presentation for part of your business. So I'm going to head over to my screen and I'm going to show you how you can do this. So here we have a blank presentation page. I'm not even starting with a template. I basically went over to the home page. I clicked on create and I typed in presentation. Canva then brings up different types of sizes for you, but generally it's going to be just the normal presentation size page. Actually, let's go for the other one, this one, the 1920. This one is more suited to bigger screens. So now we've got this blank page. This is probably where you're now sitting there going, oh, what on earth are we going to be doing with a blank page? Well, the great thing about this is Canva can generate it for you. So you've got this text box. When you click on templates, you've got this text box appear up the top here. Now just says describe your ideal design. Now let's say, please create a 10-page presentation on the impact of plastic on the environment. Please include charts, information, and figures to showcase the impact. I mean, you can add more into this, especially if it's for your business. You know what you're talking about, you know what you might want to have in it. You might want to have an about page. We could add, please add in a thank you and about me page as well. So you can tell it what you want to go into it. So this is where it just gives you that huge head start. Okay, so I've clicked the little cross here. So if I had an image or something I wanted to upload, or a group of images I wanted to upload that I wanted into my presentation as well, I can hit the upload button. I can also add from Canva. So I can add any of my uploads that I have available in Canva at this moment. And soon we'll be able to add in our own Canva designs as well. So you have a lot of other options. I've got the import option, so I can import from my Google Drive, my Dropbox, or my OneBox. So this is where if you've got images or content that you know needs to be into this presentation, you can then upload here. But we're not going to upload anything. I just want to ask it a prompt. Lastly, I have the styles tab. So I can have it geometric, minimalist, playful, organic, elegant, digital, modular. So I can choose the style of presentation. I'm going to go for geometric for our environment presentation here. And let's see what happens. Next, don't choose any of the search results. We don't go with them. We click the generate button, and this is where Canva will generate our presentation for us. So it's thinking, it's finalizing, it's putting it together, it's pulling all different elements and components together to create this, hopefully, 10-page presentation about the impact on the environment with plastics. Let's see what it creates. Okay, so our design is ready. It has created it for me. Yes, I have 10 pages and it has created all 10 pages. It's used pinks and greens, which I quite like, but I can change that afterwards if I want to. I'm going to select the template and then it gives me the option to just add in 1 or 2 pages or apply all 10 pages. So now I have got a basis to start my presentation. Global plastic production by the numbers. So it's knocked the text down slightly, but I can bring that up. Ocean impact of plastic pollution, impact on wildlife, land pollution, soil contamination, solutions and actions, future outlook, about me page, and a thank you page. Now, the about me page I can drag to the front so I can have my title page. About me, who am I? What do I do? What are we doing in this presentation? Let's go straight into the content. So it's really given me a great basis to build my presentation. I can now change the backgrounds if I want to. I can change the coloring and I can edit the whole thing. But I've already got 10 pages of information that I've not had to write because I've used Canva AI. Quick tip, read through every page, every word to make sure it is correct. This is your business. This is what you are creating this presentation for. You are the expert. So you need to make sure that this is 100% factually correct. And then things like adding your name in here. I may not want this pink background. I don't quite like that pink sort of marbly effect it had added there. I may go for a plain color, but I have the option. But do make sure you read through every single page and make sure that all of these facts and figures are 100% correct. Okay, you need to understand that everything on here is right, especially if you're presenting it to someone. Those facts and figures need to be correct. So we've got 10 pages. I don't think we've got any graphs or charts on here. It's not added in graphs or charts, but we can add in graphs and charts ourselves. But we do have this amazing setup to get on with creating our presentation. Now, the other thing I mentioned is actually creating the content to talk about. So you've gone through this, you've put your prompt in, you've created the presentation, you've gone through it, you've made sure everything is correct and that everything in there is what you actually want to talk about when you're presenting this. But now you want to actually add in some information that you can say when you're presenting this. And that's where the notes feature comes in. Bottom left-hand corner is a notes section. Now in here, you can start typing away what you want to say or give yourself some prompts in here so that when you're presenting, you can see this bit, but the people watching your presentation can't. It's hidden when you use the 2-page presentation option. But you can also click generate notes and Canva will create the notes for you. You can either use the page content or you can custom prompt. So you can write in here, please create me some information about myself using the content on the page and it will create it for you. Or if you're on one of the fact sections, I can click generate notes, custom prompts, and then I can put in here, please give me 4 facts about pollution in our oceans from plastic. Click go, and it's dived straight in with let's dive into some staggering facts about plastic pollution in our oceans. First, every year a mind-boggling 8 million metric tons of plastic waste finds its way into the world's oceans. So it's given you the information that you can actually say here. You could do this for each page, bearing in mind you read through to make sure it is 100% correct and factually right. But you can do this for each page, and then you can read through this when you are presenting. So you've used AI to create your presentation. You've gone through and you've edited it just to make sure it's right. And then you've used AI to actually write the content that you are going to say when you're presenting it. And another thing I really like about this is Canva has given a page timer. So it's saying that this will take 1 minute, 35 seconds to read through the content for this page. So if you've got a 30-minute slot that you're presenting and you're writing the content using this feature, you can now see exactly how long it will take you per page to say the content that is on there. So 1 minute 35, that's based on 140 words per minute. If you're like me, I talk a lot quicker, sometimes I talk a lot slower, so I know that I might need to just adjust that slightly, that expectation on timing. But it gives you that option to be able to do that. I think that's absolutely fantastic. Now, if I don't like it, I can ask Canva to rewrite it for me, make it more fun or more formal. Depending on who you're talking to, who's in your audience, you might want it to be a bit more fun and a bit more formal. But this is how you create a presentation in Canva using Canva AI. So what do we think about that? I think it's a really, really great feature, especially for business owners. As I've mentioned, and I keep going on about, use Canva AI prompting to create your full presentation. Make sure the facts and the figures and the information is 100% correct. And then once it's correct, you can then use the notes section to create the actual text that you are going to speak when you are presenting this to your audience or your members or your social media, or whoever it is that you are presenting this to. And then you've also got that timer at the bottom, so you can see roughly how long the whole presentation is going to take for you to get through. So there we go. That is how you create a presentation in Canva using AI when you have no idea where to start. So I'm Laura. I am a certified Canva community trainer, and I love bringing these types of tutorials to you, especially business owners. So please do make sure that you come along and you follow my channel so that you gain access to all of my new videos going forward.